Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on XVG or Verge. All right, wanted to make a video on this. Also had to make a video on this. It's been super bullish. I'm a bit sour about it, and I'll tell you why. And that is because yesterday, some people in the groups were, some people in the Cilinix Premium, etc., were already talking about this earlier. But yesterday, basically, what we saw is that Verge was consolidating here in this area. Right here, ultimately between like 0.45 cents and at the bottom 0.3 cents. And this is a beautiful consolidation, all right? And usually when you see a consolidation for a crypto like Verge, which sometimes just is very, very manipulated, as you can see right here, but also historically has had that before, at some point of time that's going to break. So I sent this yesterday, I sent a photo of this consolidation with the text like, this is going to break eventually. And I did not catch it, all right, and that's why I'm a little bit bummed out. I also saw, I'm not sure if I can still see those numbers right now, but I also saw that some short positions I thought were opened right here, which I never like that. Like XVG for sure is manipulated right here. It's a very manipulated coin in general, whether you like the project or not. But that's why I thought, you know, if they open short positions already right now, that's not ideal. But all right, no, it's very bullish right now. You can see on the daily, the main resistance level right now is right here at 0.7, potentially up to like 0.74 cents. That's our main resistance level. But if we can break above that, I would say on the 4-hour time frame is enough. I think we can easily get to the same levels we were at earlier. So 0.9 and 0.9 cents and 1 cent are definitely possible, especially with such a strong move like this. But let's actually zoom into the stats and the data a little bit more, so we have a little bit more of an idea of what's going on with XVG right here. So what you can see in general is that the open interest since yesterday evening has gone up a ton. All right, after the breakout, which is basically right here, the open interest was still relatively flat, which was also a bit of a sign. That we were still, you know, kind of figuring out whether it was a real breakout or not. Earlier, you could already see these bumps, all right? So these are already big purchases. So here, Whales positioned them. Whales positioned themselves at 0.43 cents. So they're up like 70-80%. So be careful trading this, all right? But then it really started. Like the open interest went up much, much more. Up until right now, it's been going up. And if you look at that, you can see that spot, it's up and down. So we've had some decreases in spots. Delta, of course, because people are selling off their XVG. However, you can see that futures are still increasing. So that means that more and more long positions are being opened. And that also means that at this moment, I have to tell you, even though we haven't seen that breakout yet, but I have to tell you that I think it's most likely we will break out. All right, if a crypto is bullish like this, and the momentum is still moving up, and most of that momentum is buying pressure, or that's buys, most likely will always break out. All right, so I think it's most likely that from here we'll actually break out above 0.75 and 0.73 cents, which are the top of that resistance level, and that will rally up to 0.9 and 1 cent. And then from there, the same thing goes. If we hit that level, we'll find resistance initially, but if after that resistance, open interest increases again, we have a chance to actually rally higher than that, all right? And then we can start thinking about 1.1 cents, maybe even 1.5. That's a bit ridiculous, but possible. So yeah, very bullish on Verge. The thing is that, like I said, this is manipulated, all right? And they've bought, or most of them have bought at a way lower price. So if you see XVG falling down rapidly all of a sudden, which at some point of time, it's going to crash. I'll tell you that right now. At some point of time, it will. So if XVG all of a sudden breaks down its main support at 0.63 cents, or you can see that the open interest falls down rapidly, or just in general, you see more short orders coming in. So the open interest increases while the CVD goes down. That's a good moment to know that it's over. But for now, it already looks like it right now. But for now, seems most likely still will get up higher. Those are my thoughts. That's what you need to know. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.